I'm gonna be using my I Am Magic concealer in the shade 24. A lot of people have been asking me about why I use white concealer, and I'm gonna tell you why. The reason why I really like this white concealer is because it's full coverage, and when I apply my foundation, it absorbs into the concealer as if I already used a lighter shade concealer. So I just blend it out. Trust the process, y'all. You just have to trust the process. And this is mostly for a full coverage look. If you're doing something natural, you wouldn't use this concealer. One thing I also like about this is that any shade can use white concealer. As long as you have your perfect match in foundation, anyone can use this concealer. I know it looks a little ghostly, but we're gonna cover it all up with our foundation. And what's gonna happen is the foundation is literally just gonna absorb the concealer, and it's gonna look like I use lighter concealer, like maybe something like this. So just like that, just go right over the concealer, and you'll notice it is already looking a little bit highlighted. I'm just gonna go right on top of the concealer, and as you can see, it already absorbs everything. So the secret to this hack is to use a pigmented setting powder. So I'm gonna use the I Am Magic setting powder in Gobi. So once I set with my powder, I just do my contour, some bronzer, a little bit of blush, and this is the look I get. You can see it looks very much like my skin. Nothing too bright, no flashback. This is the perfect hack for melanin girls. Try it and let me know what you think.